Get back into it. What the fuck? I'm hard shake this shit. Ooh. Rocket to the driver. Man, I don't even need that bitch no more, do I? I don't need no bitch no more. What is that? Lightning shit. I don't know what that is.
Let's go to research and administration.
Ooh. Yeah, you
Reaper,
don't like that
down
shit.
there.
Not the same way. Got bring my right guns, to even fade a nigga ass for real. My shit better do what I got to do. Oh no, we gonna see though. It's two niggas close. Oh man. It's not the politicking. They probably on some friendly shit. They ain't gonna fade it, yeah. They gonna they gonna jump, man. If they split up, like try so. Oh, it's first. I ain't even bring my grenades, bro. I could have probably did it to over there.
Don't shoot!
What the fuck? Oh, tight shit.
You go down this room. Can I sleep this, please?
What the fuck?
Please, man.
Two friendly niggas in that bit. Ooh! Let's go! I gotta stop for the blueprint. That's crazy. Ain't gonna lie, Bill go home, nah. Fuck that. I can have all this shit. Fuck that. I'm gone. Ah! Oh. Yeah, they all friendly, I guess. Hey. I'm trying to go. I ain't trying to go.
Treatment elevator.
You don't even know. He don't even know. I got that bit from his room. When I lock it, he was by the chat. Oh shit, there nigga.
Confirming your request. Just hang on a second.
Woo!
Elevator.
The fuck? Oh, it is. Oh my. Alright, hey, I'm finna load up into another one. I wanna start playing, I keep on saying that shit too. I wanna start playing Blue Gate. Cause I think that's like the last little parts I need to make, I don't know what bench that was. But I need them I'm talking about rested. Them rested gears. Whatever you call that shit. I need rested gears for this shit right here. Wait, nah. For the gunsmith. 2 rested gear parts, and then that center tool, firing core. I don't know where the hell you get that shit from.
Let's go to the primary facility.
Location was last time, but it's like every time I try to get up there, I don't even. No, I'm tripping. I did get up there one time. They ain't finding what I want to find. I should be straight. It shouldn't even see me, right? Can I get back? No, I probably going way up there. You won't see me. Let's go. Oh, nigga already on search, they big. Okay then. Wait then. That bitch already open. Shut up. Later. Later. I want to check inside the room. Yeah, that door's still locked too. Ooh. You don't want to get seen by that shit right there. Yeah, that shit.
Oh, what up? What up?
Oh! Nah, he acting a little scared too. You know, you scared me too, bitch. Hold on. I want to back those up so bad. Hold on, man. You got this person. Oh, ain't got to. Ain't got to. He backed on himself. And I can't pick you up. I ain't got the what's name. I ain't got the debris. Debris, whatever you call that shit. Damn, nigga fell right into my hands. Ain't he have to back to his ass. He done back over his son. I'm gonna go back up that bit though. I'm trying to climb up this ladder. I can't never hit that bit. Let's go! Bitch, I ain't never tried like that. Hold on. Spot. Should be way inside the building from up here, right? Right there. See me, don't 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 see me. See, look, this the damn. Okay, I gotta remember this. Damn control tower key. I had a feeling. Oh! No grenades. Fuck. I'm dead. What's on now? Jump. Ain't down here, bitch. Ah! Let's go! What the fuck? Whoa! Whoa! I gotta make it home now. I gotta make it home. I just fucking snapped. What the fuck? Well, that bitch see me. Oh yeah, this shit. Yeah, this shit ain't even over yet. Oh! Yeah, this shit ain't close to over yet. Come on. Go. Slide down. Alright. What's the plan for like 2 seconds? Oh, my mom is nigga. Oh, yeah, it's nigga down there. Oh, that fade now. Fade now. Ask question later. Let's get into it. Come on. Come here, Jit. Where you done ran to? Fell down? I see you. Oh, shit. We ain't gonna take that. I don't wanna be in here neither. Oh, there. More niggas around there, bitch. Ain't even close to over. Home, that's like the real. I don't even want to go to that. I don't even trust that one. I gotta go for the
North Complex elevator.
Oh! Is it locked down? Yeah, it's gonna get like that. Keep me right behind me. Coming on. He's no. He's no. That shit crazy, bro. And then a nigga that just took my down, I'm so fucking mad. This nigga snuck me.
He told he snuck
Nigga
you.
snuck me. Like,
Nigga took your
I'm
ass.
mad.
This shit crazy.
Oh my mother, he snuck me at first, bro. Oh my mother, he snuck me at first. I had to haul ass.
Hell nah. We finna get back right now. Fuck that.
What?
Beware of frostbite.
Yeah, dude. He be going down in the bit better. Every time we go over that, we
Yeah,
get
that's
something.
spaceport.
Yeah, let's get it.
Right, that's
Get
where
it.
the control key at.
Control. Wait, control key.
Spaceport, control key.
Wait, I gotta see if I got one of those.
Control tower key, or
What I
whatever
do?
that shit called. Yeah, control tower
What I
key.
do?
That's what that bit called.
Man, you land all 34. I think a bitch dropping.
No, I ain't talking about. I bet him, Monte. On God, he jumped down over there. He just set. They fighting at him.
We finna fight
They
their
at the
ass.
top. Them they ass at the top. They done smacked his ass from the top.
He fell down. He fell down for sure. I'm gonna check that. His body right here. His dog just checked too.
Down them Tourette's.
Watch me while I check that bit. Somebody else just check. He ain't got nothing good. He ain't got nothing good. Oh, he got some that little purple spray. I think we need to go there right now. He just fell? One on fell? Somebody else fell right there?
Oh shit, somebody almost what my oh there.
They coming down. They gonna come down in a minute.
Oh shit.
Protect me, Tootie.
Get cover, Sid. Get cover, Sid. I'm watching.
We good.
They gonna be coming down in a second.
Yeah, I'm knowing.
Nigga had defibrillator.
Type shit. Looking. I wanna go up before they heal.
Oh, they pushing.
Pedal. Yeah. No, they still talk. I'm hold on, bro. Let me go back here real quick. Cut that TikTok off. Who watching TikTok? Cut that shit off.
That's it, sir.
Oh shit. Nah, somebody banged on mine.
Alright, we done. They don't heal though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like we should
Let's go to the
scram from around real quick. Cause I really wanna fight a leaper.
I think I hear the leaper, no cap. Or that bit either a leaper or a bombardier. Hey, Tootie, y'all watch me right here. Watch out, get the supply.
Alright.
Nigga shoot at me, I'm shooting back. Got the loot. Alright. Let me catch a fuck nigga.
Alright, make sure you keep looking over here.
Yeah,
Alright,
they
six.
are. Trust.
That's where they was at.
What is that? It's some bitch shit walking, man.
He's sniping. Move, man. Move.
It's some bitch shit,
I
man.
can't even see him.
Go.
I hit some. I tried me some. I tried me some.
Bro, my controller is fucking cutting off and shit. How does he hit him like that? How? Get up.
Tried me some. Okay.
Hey, Sid, the bomb. Hey, get around.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my. Fucking God, mate.
We Gucci though. We Gucci.
Fuck that loot. Yeah, fuck that supply shit.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
watch
good.
out.
Wait. Yeah, I see. Alright. They still wanna count that bit, bro. It's like, bitch, I just wanna. Oh!
But that
Still
bitch
here.
just come to me out.
That bitch
That shit
landed
just
directly like
Yeah, I don't know. And they put. Wait, hold on. They might be pushing.
that a fuck nigga push.
Sorry. That building.
Ops.
Niggas just shot from that building.
Type shit.
Y'all didn't just see that bitch go past y'all niggas?
Hell no.
That bitch literally went
That
straight
probably me
past y'all.
shooting. Come on. They be still chasing us? The fuck? Bitch. I thought I
Them
won the weed,
bitches
bitch.
never quit. I swear them bitches never quit.
Yeah, they be still weird as fuck. Ooh, there you go. Get inside. Let me fight this shit. I ain't got no shit to fucking pop. Hold on, bitch.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
shit.
Upstairs.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
Camping
He
that
ain't
bitch,
good.
bro.
Camping?
Hey, y'all do not go. Oh, hey, this is two different teams.
Yeah,
Two different teams killed in one
hauling
building,
that, bitch. I just went a hauling that, bitch.
I can't, bro. Two different teams killed in one building.
Here we go.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
fuck
Get out
that.
of here, bro. Get out of
Hey,
here,
come on,
bro.
come on, yeah, come on. What's that? Nigga might Loki be at evac, bitch.
Nigga just stole y'all shit.
Think so?
Fuck that.
Hell yeah.
Come this way, six.
Over here.
Alright, bet.
It's still open, it's open. Better get here.
Yeah, I see it. I see
The
it.
spotter finna get the job and shit.
I made it. I made it.
Alright, get up in there. I'm finna get the person in now.
I can't die, bro. I got my bar tap, bro. That boy, look at this bit, man. Y'all boy view this bit, man.
Go to the container
no,
store.
no.
Yeah, y'all boy view this bit now.
Ha ha ha. That be look like a lot,
Yeah, man. Come on, man. Y'all
It
boy,
sound pretty.
Yeah, alright, man.
man. It sound pretty. Okay then.
Get straight to it, man.
Machines to know anything for sure.
Yeah, in that bit though. I'm finna zip up. Just get high ground real quick.
Oh,
yeah,
We
shit.
behind you. We behind you.
Uh-huh. Is they on the roof or they
What y'all gonna do? Book my
inside for sure?
leg.
They inside for sure.
Oh, shit. They just tagged my ass.
Down.
Hey, watch out, Monte. You're straight ahead. Let me put this shield on. Let me put this shield on.
Put that in,
Put
put
this
it
shield
on now,
on.
put it on now. Low key, let's see another way.
do it.
Let's find another way.
Let's
I
do
think
it.
another way right here.
They
Come on,
just
come on,
split
come on.
up, dude.
Yeah, down this way.
They
Probably that
running
we
way.
towards
finna-
me, but they running towards me.
We finna be behind him. Come here, sis. Is zip line
Yeah, I
right
see.
here?
I'm right behind you. I'm right
I'll come
behind
behind him. I'll come behind him. Just ping where they at, Monte.
Water filter.
Tight shit. I'm looking that way. I ain't seeing shit yet. Come on, sit.
Bro, I just standing
you.
there.
That's right.
It's alright. For it.
I hit his eye a little bit.
I'm pushing. Come on, sit. I think I'm behind something, but I don't know.
Oh, right
I
there
ain't
you
seeing
is.
shit. I ain't seeing
Right here.
shit. Wait.
Right here.
I see. Oh, he tapped mine.
I'm trying to come as fast as I can. Oh my god.
You're right there. Oh, you're right there. Sit. Look at that shit. Behind you, sis.
Yeah.
If you come right here, Monty.
That's one nigga, Monte.
He on
Watch
me,
out
Monte.
behind you,
He on me.
Monte.
Live pin.
Watch out, Raider.
Damn.
In there.
We clutching him. We clutching.
That boy got a fucking Toro, boy. Oh my god.
Alright. I'm putting out that volcano on there.
It's okay, man.
That shit can't tell. What time it is?
Go to the launch tower.
We got a good game too. I'm going straight for the tower.
Oh, a
What's that,
nigga
Rick?
just
Real
checked
quick,
too. A nigga just checked.
It's alright. Let me cool down real quick. Calm down real quick. We
Oh
can
yeah,
go
we
into this
finna
way?
go right to him.
Hey, alright, bet.
Yeah, we just gonna pop up under there, y'all.
Yeah, bet. Oh my. Come on, let's get granny after they start hitting. Come on.
Alright, let's
Yo, I'm going up that bit.
Oh, it's a nigga right here.
What?
At the bottom.
Bottom, all the way. One.
All the way. I just seen one nigga looking for a spot. Hold on, I'm coming down. Oh my god.
I'm coming down. No.
Oh yeah, we
I
cooked.
caught that bit. I caught that
We
bit.
good.
back. I caught that bit back.
Oh, I'm about to say, boy, we fucking cooked.
What's his ass? So let me see his ass.
He had to go up this up.
Think so? He did. I'm going up. Somebody else just fought his ass. Sound like. No, right here. Second floor maybe? I heard. It's like I hear it, but I can't tell. They sound
I
so
heard
close.
that
Right
bit too.
Right there.
But I'm
Wait, no, I'm
coming to the
tripping.
outside.
No, he is right there. Two niggas. Look. Come on. We cross right here. We can't cross. You got a zip line? Mate?
Whoa, it's a nigga behind us too, gang.
Two. All right,
You good.
Come here. I'm finna flank that.
Hey, who got healed?
Oh.
Right here. On me. I tapped him a little bit. He running though. Yeah, he running. You ain't got nothing, Mate?
I need heals. No, I don't got nothing.
Oh my god.
I clapped me something.
We finna get clapped. Yeah, I'm going down, Mate. Zip line on me.
Hey, Tuli, I hit his ass. I hit his ass with barrel, Tuli. Tuli, where you at? Where you
I
at?
put on manage. I'm coming back up.
I'm up.
Come here, sis. No! I'm here. Get the fuck up.
He behind it. He trying to heal up.
Wait. Come here, sis.
Yeah, he's smacked.
Yep.
Oh.
Goofy. Knock his ass out.
Somebody get me for his teammate.
Got my take. I think this was Dolly.
What the fuck?
You good?
good, sis?
Down, sis. Talk. Wait.
I'm fading.
We coming. I ain't got no fucking bullets. I got 11 shots. Only got 11 shots, Monte. 11 shots, man. Back up and heal, sis.
Yeah, I backed up.
Heal. Right here. I tied him. I'm out of ammo.
Throwing impacts out his
You just snap. I beat his ass. I need the ammo bad. I ain't gonna lie.
All y'all
We low key need to loot the tower. I'm finna finish looting the tower a bit because I don't think that bitch will loot it.
Huh? What'd you say?
Oh, right here. He going down. He went down. I'm going down too.
Well,
Sit
I'm
on
right
your
behind
head.
you.
On your head. Sit on your head.
Alright,
On your head.
bet,
Sit.
bet.
On your head. Sit. Grab his ass. I'm done. Come here. Hurry up. Bitch. Grab his ass. Let's go.
Was it two or was it just him?
Only one, but raise me. Hurry
Pick
up.
out Tuli. Pick out Tuli.
Hurry up. Alright, let me figure this shit out real quick.